Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about the first ever created fifth state of matter by astronomers in space. But before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe. Okay, now let's get into the video. With the launch and operation of Cold Atom Lab, also known as CAL, NASA has established the sustained study and development of quantum technologies in orbit. The versatile multi-user research facility has traveled over 400 million kilometers on board the International Space Station since June 2018 under remote operation from the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Using the Jet Propulsion Laboratory Cold Atom Laboratory, astronomers created exotic matter on board the International Space Station. They have reported about the production of rubidium Bose-Einstein condensates in an Earth-orbiting research laboratory, the Cold Atom Laboratory. This is for the first time the fifth state of matter have been observed in space using the rubidium. This chemical element shares similarities to potassium metal and cesium metal in physical appearances like softness and conductivity. The Bose-Einstein condensate occurs when certain types of atoms are cooled to such a low temperature that they take on one unified state, but they are incredibly fragile. The slightest interaction with the external world is enough to warm them past their condensation threshold. This makes them nearly impossible for scientists to study on Earth, where gravity interferes with the magnetic fields and required them to hold them in place for observation. Lisa Warner of the German Aerospace Center Institute of Quantum Technologies said that the ability to study the strange state of matter in orbit will aid scientists' understanding of fundamental physics as well as make possible new, more sensitive quantum measurements. I cannot overstate the importance of this experiment to the community. Robert Thomson from the California Institute of Technology said that microgravity allows us to confine atoms with much weaker forces since we don't have to support them against gravity. It also allowed the atoms to be manipulated by weaker magnetic fields, speeding their cooling and allowing clearer imaging. And others noted that the successful generation of Bose-Einstein condensates in orbit unveils new opportunity for research on quantum gases as well as for atom interferometry and paves the way for even more ambitious missions. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos from this channel. Thank you.